At Bradfords, we've been proudly serving our communities across the Southwest for 250 years. Since day one, we've always been family-owned, and today, with over 40 branches across the West Country and a team of 700, we're just as committed to helping you find the right product for the job as we were back then. There's nothing we love more than helping turn your project into a reality, whether it's landscaping in Liscard, groundwork in Glastonbury, or a DIY dilemma in Dawlish. We've got everything you need under one roof. When it comes to quality, we know that your reputation depends on it, so you can trust in us to bring quality products at great prices, always. But what really makes Bradfords is our people. Friendly, helpful, experienced and local. Whether you need some inspiration for a new project, a helping hand with choosing the right materials, or some expert advice, our whole family are on hand to help you get everything you need. We're proud to have been by your side for the last 250 years. And as we look ahead to our future, we're committed to continuing to grow our community, one yellow lorry at a time. Bradfords. Trusted by trades and loved by locals since 1770.